So how do we convert 11 pi over 6 radians into degrees? Well, we first start off by knowing a known relationship between radians and degrees. In other words, pi radians is equivalent to 180 degrees. Remember, pi is just a number, it's 3.14. So what this is saying is that a little over 3 radians is equal to 180 degrees. In other words, 1 radian, therefore, would be equivalent to about, or approximately 57.3 degrees. It's just simply a different unit of angular measurement. That's all. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the exact value on the top to do my conversion, and let's get started. So this is the first thing we need to know. The second thing is I'm going to take my given value and I'm going to write it down. I'm going to write down 11 pi over 6 radians. This unit belongs in the numerator of this fraction. Now, what I want in my answer over here is I want degrees. I don't want radians, and therefore I have to figure out a way to cancel the radians. Well, guess what? That's where this relationship comes in handy. You're going to take the radian measurement and put it in the denominator. And the reason why you're going to put it in the denominator is because you want the radians to cancel. Okay? Then the other value has to come along for the ride, and it goes into the numerator now. And notice how the degrees will not cancel. We don't want them to cancel. We want our answer in degrees. So now all we now need to do here is then just simplify. I mean, the problem's really done. Notice the pi's will also cancel, right? And then, can you cancel anything else? Well, what about the 6 and then the 180? 6 goes into 180, I think, about 30 times. So guess what? This problem really literally works down to this: 11 times 30 degrees. And what does that equal? Well, take out the calculator, do 30 times 11, right? It's simply 330. So this works out to be 330 degrees. So in other words, 11 pi over 6 radians is equivalent to 330 degrees. Guys, thanks so much for tuning in. I appreciate it. Please help us out by subscribing. I'll see you in the next problem. Take care.